Hi guys, my name is Hamza and I have been working in Arha for more than 5 years. I have completed all my graphic design courses like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere Pro and After Effects. So today we all have gathered here for learning about After Effects. And just before going through that, I am going to tell you what is After Effects and everything. The first thing you need to remember before we start explaining about puzzles in After Effects is that After Effects is not editing program. Okay, if you are editing anything, it's not suitable for you. If you want to edit videos or Final Cut, Premiere Pro do much better job than After Effects. However, when it comes to creating a special effects composition in a motion picture, After Effects has an unmatchable capacity in industries. After Effects is a commonly used for producing computer animation, titling or sequence integration computer graphics with the real footages. Like daily basis, we see in movies how graphic design had been added. For an example, any Jurassic Park movie, you can see how graphics and how dinosaurs have been added. For example, Terminator movie has been prepared in Adobe After Effects. Now you can see the whole Terminator movie, the whole computers had been robots or everything had been designed in After Effects. So you can see how such good is After Effects by removing green screens, and you can edit templates, any templates on your names or on your videos like that. See how good After Effects is going through. So you can take a look at what After Effects. After Effects contains compositions like composition and compo too. If you are adding any template, you can use normally. If you are preparing any new video format, like if you have only your own real footage, if you are editing that or if you are removing green screen everything, you can go through adding composition. There is a dropper tool for removing selection of green screen, and there is an roto tool for cutting yourself by using it's called as pen tool in normal other softwares. So you can cut like that. You can add very different various graphics. You can render it like, yeah, for After Effects content render, but it contains different type of rendering videos. The primary way for rendering and exporting movies from After Effects is through a render queue panel. When you place a composition into a render queue planner, it becomes a render item. You can add many render items to a render queue. In After Effects, you can render multiple items in a batch untitled. When you click the render button on the upper right corner, the render queue panel and all the item statues queued in rendered output order in which they listen a render queue panel. And actually it was an 2019 version. Actually not a 2019, it's a 2017, like that older one. But when it comes to new, they have added somewhat extra things like rendering had become more easier. Like if you have done any template or anything, I'll just show you how rendering works. I'll just click Control M. Now you can see these options had been came. Like you can see a whole render button. If you just place a video after pressing the render, automatically window render and comes output format. You can change the output formats here, and you can change the audio quality, video quality, and everything you can change here. And guys, this is about After Effects. Okay, thank you.